What's up, Ross? Start my little video. make us a little video. We're at the USA Track and Field National Championship.
Go ahead, let's
Double scoreboard though.
Yeah.
I didn't see it.
Hi, babe.
Hey man.
It's a real deal around here. All right, Dad, are you nervous?
No, it's her race, not mine.
As long as she doesn't fall. As long as she doesn't fall.
That's why I tell you. That's why I warn you when I'm
I
running.
always got nervous for Chase. I would have been less nervous if I was running. You just want him to do well, you know? 2016 national. Fall. What do they call him back for? Man, they called him back for falling. Well, I guess that's a good warm up.
There you go.
Here's the second restart of the 2016 USA Track and Field National Championship. Savannah Ames
Here they come. They're not going to pull it back this time.
is down on the lower level in yellow.
5 girls in red. Here, they'll be wearing running gear.
I believe I see her toward the front. Go, Savannah. Did you catch her? I have no idea. I thought I saw her, but then I lost her. Wait.
Go Platify!
Here comes the leaders. Here they come. Come on, Savannah. Thirteenth place, there she goes. Go, Savannah! She's in 13th place right now. Thirteenth place. Go, Savannah! Fourth place. Fourth place. Great job.
That's amazing.
Good job, Brooke!
Good job,
Good
Savannah!
job, Cameron!
No, leave him yellow. No, no, no.
Hey. Debbie! Debbie! Debbie!
Good job, Savannah.
Good job, girls. Holy cow. How'd it feel? Was it better than regionals? Good job, Ceci. Was it better than regionals? Did you guys feel better coming from altitude? Like
867 from Parker, Brooke Wilson. In fourth place with a time of 11:24.93 from Cougar Track, Savannah Ames. In third place with a time of 11:21.76 from Federal, Ella